I am so excited because it's pan that polish time. I love this project because I've been doing my nails from home to save some money, but not just that, I really enjoy doing my nails from home. And I love being able to complete a nail polish product or a nail product because I just feel such an accomplishment. Anyway, today we're going to be updating my pan that polish for August. I am behind, so please bear with me. You're going to see a lot of usage from September as well, but I'm going to share with you where I was in August. I'm also planning on getting my nails done at the end of September professionally, so I'm going to be kind of changing up a little bit this project. We've got some good updates, so just bear with me. So in August, I ended up using Lacy Lilac 3 times, and the bottom blue line is where I ended off the month of August. So I'm really happy about that because I feel like going into September, I don't have much more use on this. So we are going to roll this one into September, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, it will be done. But this was beautiful for the summer, and I'm really glad I was able to use it 3 more times and literally almost at the end of the bottle. So the next one was a usage goal. This was for the Sally Hansen Mermaid Dream, and it is a brand new nail polish that I got a couple months ago, and I ended up getting this one with Nifty Nude. That has been my favorite. So I had the usage goal to use this 1 time because my main goal was to use the Lacy Lilac so we could declutter it very soon. So I did use this once. I'm happy I used it, but it will be much better in like November, December, and January. So I'm happy I used it, but we are going to be rolling this one out of the project today and replacing it with something new. I ended up using the Odyssey Age Defying Nail Treatment 5 times in the month of August. I was up to the bottom purple line, so you could see that I actually used a lot of it. So I don't have that much left, so hopefully by the end of September, I can roll this out and then we could have a really nice fresh October, November, and December. So we are keeping these 2 in the project for September, and we are also going to roll in 1 new nail polish, which I'm really excited about. In a list, I have all of my nail polishes numbered. I think it's like 1 through 7, and I had a random number generator pick a number, and that number was for the Nail Boo polish in Glam Queen, just a very beautiful sparkly top coat, which I actually applied onto the top of my nails today. This is going to be in the project for a usage goal of 2 times. This way I'm able to roll it out hopefully with these 3, and then we could start October off fresh. So this is going to be what I'm working on in the month of September. I feel like I'm off to a really good start. Hopefully by October, I'm going to be able to roll a lot of this out so we could almost start a new project. I am also getting my nails professionally done at the end of September, so that is going to put a little bit of a stop on my products, and that's also why I'm really focusing on trying to use this product up, because even with my nails professionally done, I can still use this like serum. And then if I have this in here for a usage goal of 2 times, I've already worn it once. I should be able to wear it 1 more time, or at least put it as a pedicure, and then this is almost done. So I feel like I could get there. I just need to make sure that I do my nails, and hopefully by the end of September, we'll have these done and we could start October off fresh. Let me know in the comments down below if you think I can do it, and let me know if you guys are working on a polish as well. And I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.